So I say NUHI and started popping up on the internet. I say according to Bloomberg reports, Cedi is the worst performing currency in the whole world. The worst, in fact, in the third quarter of 2025, Cedi is the worst performing currency. So that's what we kind of Bloomberg had reported by, And this one see the massa. Bloomberg, jandam. And this was Bloomberg, jandam. No matter say NPP for, and no more jandam. A general NDC for no. I will reply Bloomberg report to the bank. You may do go. I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no other. More subscribe button. So back the key notification. Connect latest updates. Now better why be their mommy. Will comments and she mess was over so. No I should offer so any be ashe. Etimin fa won kwa tire bebre no. Obeka ya yeti si memu ana dollar start say e ba form. Konada tana dollar e wo 15.75. Ye den this trans so ye de akonwa no e ma NDC no. Na dollar e da 14.71 as of 6 January 2025. Ye kodru memu na dollar akodru 15 cedis 75 pesos say a face Cedi no appreciated by 1 cedi 4 pesos. May nemu ana dollar say tia ba from the earth in fact etie pa. Enti ye be see June 4th. Na said the dollar no esi eti every day boom no. Enu mu enema Bloomberg the report eba ye. Bloomberg World Monetary Agency omu na de statistics eba. Ye hwe wiase sika sem wala say omu ehwesere wiase obi asika ho oden ni ade etie no omu na de ho amanebo eba. Eti Bloomberg Ghana cedi said the AC nya ahoden against dollar any other currency. I don't know there be. Ghana sika no the world beating currency. Time wa Bloomberg isu ma ye that time world beating currency. Cedi is the world beating currency. But your news platforms, your media agencies, no report Ghana for say be better as easy no. In layman understanding, Anobeka says Cedi is the best performing currency in the whole world according to Bloomberg. And the same thing. World beating currency and the best performing currency the same thing. One currency say a beating we are seeing now. We are seeing now. Obi chima. Na say o ma ni tro. No crack. No crack. Emma no trendy. No buy no. And this if we musa question say now Bloomberg krano did Bloomberg emphatically stated that Cedi is the best performing currency. Oba musa that question no. Eba ya na nimunyam no komo mu ne de omoye nimunyam no hu de na busia yenka bi hyemu on se kire enema ema Cedi no enya ahode no dollar na se omu tubum ana baba man tago IMF the warning ebre Bank of Ghana say central bank enya say omu inject more omu inject dollars into the economy omu twasika to sika go economy no nyesa adomo ye no ebe ha Ghana dash into omu nyai Tamwa IMF the warning the ebre Bank of Ghana dollar to cedi rate no to that 10 column hono ebusia as speaking to you now no dollar no esa kosro ema enu achia no Bloomberg esa the report aba. Now Bloomberg report on Ben say no mkan a surge in demand for dollars by companies paying for import before the year-end holiday season has ended the Ghana Cedi's world-beating performance. Has ended the Ghana Cedi's world-beating performance. How amount for the companies omunya dollar import enema any other no. Title na Ghana Cedi kura as the world-beating currency no, it has come to an end. And Omutuale say the currency of Africa's biggest gold producer weakened 13% so far this quarter. The biggest decline globally, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. Thus, erased some of the Cedi's 50% gain that was underpinned by a stronger barren price and saw it rank as the world's best performer in the 3 months through June. Enti statement way Anna Bloomberg make about dollar and Cedi. In bringing this context to a layman understanding, and the media house is here time o because world beating currency o me framing is world best performing currency no almost I reframing statement we abeka kire say the cedi now is the worst performing currency according to Bloomberg. Sa report we NDC for say o monti ase adaya ehemfa ana Bloomberg estate and me hu say Rafael Samagulo on Instagram and make people not say Bloomberg never stated that the cedi is the worst performing currency globally. That false narrative was pushed by the legendary graphic and other lazy news outlets in Ghana who published fake news. Just say, Uncle yeah, mama there, fake news. But time one, Bloomberg echo is a world beating currency. Media outlet yeah. Ghana graphics any Ghana will be able say a world best performing currency there. What the bank can say Bloomberg never quoted that. After your calculation, or say the currency of Africa's biggest gold producer weakened 30% so far this quarter. The biggest decline globally. Foolishness. The biggest decline globally. It's globally, you know. Cedi and facing biggest decline. It is a bit biggest decline there. I think I'm more catch there say any worst performing currency. And now bluff na monty say. If me say TikTok I can kwasi as free mind I can kwasi as TikTok. Nyansa se bi ni mutirimu nyansa. Ade pa de ba de ade no muka say omu media outlet here can say best performing currency. The man can say Bloomberg and Kasa. But omu reframe Ama Ghana ni bia tia according to Bloomberg, cedi is the worst performing currency. Then dem kan kwase asem. Ma adwen nya adwuma. Ebusia media no so omoni ma be clash. Efa dollars nsem ya ho.
Adwuma we enche bejai. Kasa no enche bia. Ya de adwuma nyina beba wie because enkrofo na eno omo ye adwuma no ankasa no. Omo ma adwuma no ye ding. Omo adwuma no ye din. Because just imagine say obi ti say DKB nyame ama oti se say nimdie die kakra timi komu no wutimi begina o ka kire say cedi na within 2 weeks ni depreciate by 13% no mo na mo say ko do 10.25 na abedu 13 na eguso e no better change 17. Meanwhile we never got to 17%. That's the first thing. Nanado left the cedi at 14.5%. 2. Say, granted, say, Nanado di jamo at 17. 17, no, the end, or no, baby, or this year, no. But more 13, no. This is where you are starting. So, how do a reasonable person, argue? And no, be the same argument, and I'm catching and say, how will I argue with you if you don't know the difference between the beginning and the end? More beginning of depreciation, look at the rate from 10.25 in less than 2 weeks. Etimi depreciate do more than 13. President Mahama, this is just 9 months. And 9 months, I can't say 2 or 3 years. And if we are seeing this trend of depreciation, yentimi ansia no by the end no ye can end to end. The end no ni egusu gina 13. Nti adwuma no nkrofo na eno omo ye no sebi. Tore bi omo ma adwuma no ye din. Because we nim say bi kata o mani say is more than say ehifa na auto dollar 17% o Ghana. Ehifa now, what dollar 17%? Yeah, what they are granting amount. That was the person's end. Onipanisha siemponiu, and ye do 13. Bear the worst performance. And to who beginning, no, and a worse. And to bedroom end, no, where the band ye be described. Yeah, politics, no, intellectual. Politics is not just blah blah. It can be your number, so it's very intellectual. Women kasanche medase me si books ni ye churo montomain why na mo montomain na mo project no Why na nkofo ye nche bi o mami eje adwuma no o de omoma debate ni ya emre omo de wo form too much e de obi ase
Ghana for me chia mu nyina me pa mu chawo ene monya news ahwe me hwe 6 o'clock news me de koto Joy Prime na me hwe Joy News abeto ho ne se Ghana ha yesika na ye Cedi na ye di no omo se eno na ye the worst currency in the whole world enya me na me ka wo wunya nhweye no ko ne ko hwe 10 o'clock news so wanya 6 o'clock news and hwe 10 o'clock news why ye currency na John Mama wa bon ma oni Ato Forson eba ya reserves ananado agegu ho se oman kwa huhie mu a ya fasa scan dia bo oman no ho bra no wo mo de mu nsa kobom akoyi $4 billion edi be so Cedi na sene no say yi dollar na tepraka no ama say yesi ye sika na ye di na wiase afa na nyina no ye sika na ye the west currency. Your Excellency Mami Musa eya abro ena yewo anase ye nipa bonesem na yewo inti sa sika na mokofa aye no na modi be share sa adie we mu no emfa so be pa na de bre ye Ghana fo eni monyam pe pa na de bre wo John Mama as a president say ya ugu hwani mu ase uya mamu basa I don't know what is wrong with NDC mpanimfo Ato Forson why you ti kono why you ti trotro say ayi kube ati atofom utini sustaining dollar ni kakra no besa aboso me miensa Ato is forcing Mami Musa say ye Cedi no and the west currency no what is Ato doing is Ato fooling is Ato Forson fooling or Ato Forson has collapsed our currency. Which title should we give you? NDC for the moya bro papa. Na me ka say 4 years ya mu ba kwa mba beja legacy. Na me ka say 4 years ya John Mama u ba be di. U beja legacy. U ba ye hwanye ma sisi wo manyimu. Ewuwo say there in the history of Ghana, you see can ye the west currency. Ghana for enunti de ya be catch them say you people should stop being foolish voters and believers and be thinkers no. And yes I ya kem didi na me pese me didi obi. Eya na mu eya. So stop being foolish voters and believers and not thinkers. Na muntu aba based on the mudi money ehu. NDC bo me kan to bebre na madane mo na makoto aba mo no ma ba say o man na MPP ba be ye di year mo be to MPP so no na ma to aba na asade ma NDC no ma sa be say o man mati bi say ye Ghana ewiase nyina de aba say ye sika no na ewiase nyina no eye the west currency mati bi da John Mama breso enkonya ahene ti bonko so amamu we enye de beba no say gawo ni what say eyi e friend say tudu onu na o control dollar no what say akra ha bia no wonam tudu a wo be so moye madam change wonam UTC akiro top man e hon ba bia man ton empaboa togo mpaboa ya eno so be madam change say gawo for no ene control yen dollar no e wo man yi mu ukọ bank sa wunya dollar ento na yesi ye wo president wo man yi mu. John Mama, are you really the president of the Republic of Ghana? Are you existing? Do you exist? Because me hunu ade awo ye. Na Dubai or the free SHS by Ghana ni bia hu bi. Kufo baye or the national health insurance baye who Ghana ni bia hu bi. Osase oba wo free, onyimu a continental free hu bi. Baumia a Ghana card buy digitalization first ni yeko bank eko to lie tin yes the system na break it down ene Ghana card yi wodi ko bie bank account a utimi tra ufie na we yiska firi wo bank account mu de agu momo so na we koyi na wo de aye de wo beye ehun hia so be ko bank ba wo me be Ghana card om say ba wo liar na do e ba be free SHS om say free education 419 na do ambulances and na me no ka say every district e wo ambulance omo di drones ba ye wo de eduro ehemu a say wonu ebite fanchire kwa na o yare a drones di eduro be ko ho ama wonu ya na nya yaresa munya party a yes anyema we mu na ye legacies o legacies ni na legacies wonu ni pana na tra se dwene ye hu se da bi ma menya ma ade we mfa mwa me man no eno ne friend legacy MPP abeja legacies kofo abreso ni nanado abreso mo ja legacies NDC for mo me challenge be say NDC so mo betra so mo so ja legacy baako ana mienu po muni baako na yekoka abosom ba becheche yen wo sa blogger bi na wo se ye fra wo ntokwa hinu se whatever no wo se de yen wo se wo no obema Juliana na nya asem ohima Juliana obeba na nya asem wo share wa fo se de obubu nkasuo ton ye wo ha ena na do di free SHS ba ya not nursing kwala nkitinkiti ntotofe wa mawe a omoto mu shishishi omo mami nyom papa no ntibi hwe omo a na do ma ye hwe wo omo no omu be so camera edi na nado atem poto na NDC for mosre enso na nado se enkwala no obi ankoche wo mo munya ye wo mo NDC for tem didi be na mu ani di na nado ni ba omie okrom ha obichi obi wodi obi ye ni video na wo ko stitch video no na wo dia 2 page say police for emeche no wa bodam mu NDC for mu de ye di mo atem ayemo ya wan kasa ko ne koche Juliana wate abuofunu u ka so obi suro wo app yi so ana na mu NDC for mu ka so obi suro mu Cedi enso ye nsa na wia beye Cedi mu di na nado atem saa ni saa ni enso be di atem saa hwiesi obi antimi nyobi afoko wo ma we mu Shama mu turka bi ajoma ma ebu eno de wa agene enkyerɛ wo sɛ ka ho asɛm criticize the government no criticize wo akasa wo government no omu man ye eno de you don't have that brains na ye na ye wo opposition na ye be put the government on his toes no mo sora mo so ma ba cheche yen me ye bra wo sa na ntokwa hinu se ntokwa de be no me so passa man crofo me de me bra be bodua me kire wo se me your ba na me ye densen wo be ma munya ye ne yenkan asem because asem na ye ka na ye no kra ne ye ka wankasa wo na ntokwa hinu se ntokwa de ben eni mu NDC for no sa bra ya John Mahama ne Ato Forson aboyi enfa so be na de abra yen what's $4 billion esa me de sustain Cedi no wankasa wo ni deep down you say ade na wo ye no enye feasible untimi nye nkoduru ahin ene dollar enye na edu 12.11 enye dollar na edu 12.11 a se ye Ghana Cedi enimo gu ase potoyi mo se me yenka na mo ndi sipo mo ye hwan mo jare se John Mahama oya de papa me ba beka oya de papa me ba beka oye de enya so meka obi antimi nye me foko ena obi call remand na ye de o ma ba na ye de o kokko na ye de o call remand enti de ayi o mining interest ni hia mo follow political party blindly with no brains and ka wo ba ye 9 months e kire be say oh mbo ma ya de we aya o ma ya de ene ye sidi na nima gu ase poto no the worst currency in the history of Ghana The whole world, the West currency is the Ghana cedi. Shame on you people. Wo betche hwan atum. Wo share.
Ubeta chire wadwe ama me. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.